You know your job, and you're damn good at your job. But for some reason, promotions just seem to slip by you and land in the laps of other team members. What the? Welcome to the channel, Leadership with Mike. On this channel, I help you become a more confident leader, and I do that with no nonsense sense, if that makes any sense. And remember, September 21st, membership's open. Get in. So, in this video, I want to help you become prepared for the next promotion. Sometimes people think that if you are good at your job, you'll just get promoted. They will see, they'll know. You're the obvious choice, but that's not how it works, at least in my experience. So let me share a few things that you should start to do today. The first thing, and to me this is quite obvious, but maybe to you it's not. You need to inform HR, or you need to inform your direct supervisor that you are looking for a promotion. So many people are very comfortable in their job and they want nothing to do with leadership, and that is great for them. But if you want to become a supervisor, or if you want to move up and become a manager, or in the upper management realm of things, you need to make it known. Don't just assume that your hard work will get noticed and people will think, hey, John, he should get a promotion. Make it known, John, that you want the promotion, that you are developing yourself for the promotion, and that you are throwing your hat in the ring. The next one, and this one you have to finesse just right. You need to make sure that whoever is looking at the candidates for the next promotion, that they know about your wins. So what this means is that without bragging, you need to be able to brag about the wins you and your team have had. You need to be able to just subtly highlight the success that you've seen, the success that those around you have seen because of you. Now, this is why it's difficult, because in every video I tell you, you as a leader, you need to allow your team to have the wins, and you're the one taking the beating when things go wrong. But in a roundabout way, your team wins reflect highly on your abilities to help lead the team. Speaking of wins, the next thing I want you to do is I want you to document your wins. Keep track of them starting today. What has happened? I was recently coaching one of my clients, and I've asked her to keep a journal. And listen, I'm not the journal guy, but I'm a bullet point guy. And if you are looking to get the promotion, you need to have confidence in yourself. You need to know that you get wins. And the best way that I know to do that is to document point form in a journal. Today, 3 wins, no matter how small. Document 3 wins. And if you have a couple losses that kind of hurt, document them too. Because this is going to help for 2 reasons. One, it's going to boost your confidence and help you realize how good you are, and help you realize and take inventory of all the successes that you have accumulated. And 2, it's going to jog your memory, because if and when you get that interview for the promotion, they're going to ask you about wins. They may not say, are you a winner or a loser? But they're going to ask you certain questions, situational questions, and you are going to have wins fresh in your mind. And you're going to explain, oh yes, well when this happened, I did this. Our team was able to do that. So have stuff written down. The next thing that you're going to do is you are going to continue your education. A lot of times what happens is that people, they come out of school or they come out of the trades and they just start working, which is great, but they don't continue to learn. They don't continue to develop themselves. And this is where you will be able to stand out from the crowd. One way you can continue your education is by joining the No Nonsense Leadership Academy. This is a monthly masterclass. This is a community where we get together and we talk about our wins and losses and communicate with each other to help each other out. Am I telling you that you're going to be able to come out with a degree and show the hiring manager? No. but you will be able to subtly slip it into conversation that you are in a leadership membership, that you are working on yourself. This looks great to anybody who's trying to hire a new manager or for a new position. The fact that you take it upon yourself to educate yourself and get what you want will help you get what you want. The next thing is that you have to be willing to ask for feedback. Ask your boss, listen, don't be annoying, but every now and again, how am I doing? Is there something that I can do to help position me for a promotion in the future? But on the flip side, let's say you didn't get the promotion. Should you cry about it? Maybe, but just for a minute. After that, you want to try to go back to the interviewers or the HR office manager or whoever was looking after the assignment of the promotion and ask for feedback. If you didn't get the job, there's probably some gaps. When you ask about those gaps, and be prepared, it might hurt for what they say, and you don't want to argue with them. What you need to do is go back to the drawing board and start filling those gaps yourself. Start learning more, start involving yourself more, whatever it might be, whatever the feedback was, take it and use it for the next opportunity. If you get shut down today, do not allow that to stop you from trying again tomorrow. Now, before you take the job, I want you to understand one thing. Sometimes management sucks. And in this video, I share why management can suck, so you should consider it before you consider a promotion. I'll see you there. Ciao.